Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to share with you all 5 places to get designs for your creations. So some of them are subscription, you can pay per piece, and some are actually free. Either way, it's always good to have more options and a variety. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, let's start on Facebook. So there are several places on Facebook that share SVGs, pings, clip arts, JPEGs, different things like that. But I like free SVG and Sublimation because the group is pretty big, and there are so many people who love to share their designs, and they're sharing them for free. Now, the only thing about them they're asking is that you guys respect intellectual property, and then only like to share the content that you have the rights to. So don't go put up something here that has a logo or is a brand name and no one can do anything with it. The other thing they ask is that you share as well. So you have a lot of people sharing their work and then you share too. So it's just a big happy sharing place. But because the group is so vast, you're going to find a little bit of everything, which I think is pretty dope. And to only say, hey, we want you to share with us as well. So I can tell some of these pictures may be, digital work like AI or different things like that, but it is like we just saw here. We got Spider-Man, then we come over here and we got this this is so adorable, a cute little teddy bear and different tutus. So yeah, I like it because of the variety. And then I want to tell you guys, I'm presenting these but it's like in no particular order at all. Oh God, this is for our horror fans here. But yeah, let's move on to the next one. So this is design bundles, which a lot of you guys may already be familiar with. They have a very large collection, and you're gonna get high quality designs from here. So like with the SVG one, if you go to this website, you may not get the same quality that you see. Can I put it here? That you see here for everything. So this image actually looks a little bit better than this image. But with this particular site, you have people who are selling the things, and like you can get subscriptions to them and all that other stuff. So you do know exactly what it is that you are going to get, which that's a great thing. And then once again, there is a variety of things to get from here. I think they have I want to say fonts as well, but no, I'm thinking about something else. I skipped ahead, y'all. All right, but let's move on. And so another oldie but goodie, Etsy is going to give you some of everything. So one of the last times that I was on here, I was looking for designs for graduation stoles, which tells you guys that was a while ago that I was actually on here. But at the same time, I think if we type in SVG bundle, let's just do that. You're gonna get some of everything. And once again, quality is important, right? Because you want the best ping, the highest pixelation, all that stuff when you are translating some of these designs to your work, i.e. t-shirts, mugs, tumblers, different things like that. These are all supposed to be creators with their own shops, and then you could buy from small businesses directly, which is kind of cool when it comes to Etsy. So I have no complaints there. So sometimes when I'm in a pinch, this is where I go to actually find something. And in a pinch, I guess that's kind of a strong word, when I wait to the last minute to do something. Instead of sitting up and designing it myself, I'll go here to see what they have and then go from there. All right, guys, what's next? Once again, another one, Creative Fabrica. So the thing about Creative Fabrica is that their library is deep. Okay, y'all, it's deep. It's like I just have never seen a spot that has so many graphics, so many fonts. It's like you could actually get lost, and it can be a little bit overwhelming. I have spent hours on this site just looking at the different things that they have, and yeah, it's a lot, but you know exactly what you're going to get. So the quality is there. And if you are patient, you can find exactly what it is that you are looking for. And then once again, this one has, you can buy per piece, or you can pay for the yearly access or the monthly subscription or anything like that. But you are going to definitely, if you are patient, because it's so vast, but if you are patient, you're going to find exactly what it is that you are looking for. So yeah, another oldie but goodie. Moving on, guys. Canva, y'all. I have been rocking with Canva since day one. So the thing that I like about Canva is, yes, you can create your own designs, which I do often. I have several videos of showing you guys my own designs, but you can see here I started in the templates tab, because what I want to show you is they have several templates. So I searched mug, right? And you can use these different templates as a jump off to add to it, or just use it as is, right? And these are designs. Now I do want to tell you, like, this says pro, so that means that that one's not free, but this does not have the little crown at the bottom, so that design is free. So you are going to get both premium and free items here at Canva, which is why I like it, because it's versatile. And then even if you pick one that is free, right, you can go in and design and add more to it to your own particular specifications. And then the other thing is, let's see what else. T-shirt. If we type in t-shirts, so many different images come up, and all of these are for you to use. So once again, it might be a premium one, or it might be free, but there are a lot of things to choose from. And like with everything else, you can use filters to kind of see, like, well, what look am I going for? What do I want this design to look like? So you can filter it out, because there's a lot of different t-shirt templates. But I like this because even though I might start off with something like this, I can add to it, or I can take away, or I can change the design. So it gives me a little bit more freedom, instead of just, like grabbing a ping or SVG off of Etsy. I may not be able to change it as much as I like. So with this, we got a lot of creative freedom. That's what I'm trying to say, guys. So, like, even though I said this wasn't in no particular order, I think Canva is like one of my favorite places when I am designing myself. Let me see if I can find one of my projects, and I want to show you guys exactly, like, I created a mug design. So give me a second to pull that up. All right, guys, this is what I want to show you. So I said I created a mug design, but what I was actually trying to get at is, these are Tumblr designs. So what I was able to do is use Canva to get, like, the butterflies here. I added a second image back here in the background. So this is like watercolor purple. And then I came in with the different fonts. This is my actual Tumblr design, which came out pretty great, if I do say so myself. And then if we take a look at this is something that I made for my sister. So what we have here is layers once again. So I have the Louis Vuitton in the background. I have this image here, actually came from Creative Fabrica. Then I have a little bit of a paint color, I don't know, whatever, there in the background. Then I added my words there on top. And this is the design. Oh yeah, I forgot. I put glasses on the person's face here because that wasn't there, but my sister loves her some glasses, and this kind of looks like her. So I thought that was kind of dope. But I was able to bring pieces in from the different places, Creative Fabrica, and then what Canva had, and I was able to piece together something that she actually ended up loving. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. I just want to share with you all 5 places where I get designs. And if you have any additional places that was not on the list, feel free to share. But if you have any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. And always remember, stay colorful, stay creative, and find joy in the little things that you do. Love you guys. Peace.